Hi everybody, welcome to Composition 2. I am Ms. Wise, your instructor for the semester. So I'm very excited to be talking to you guys through this video right now so that I can kind of show you guys how to access the course and where to find important course materials. So the first thing you'll want to do is find the course, right? So you will go to the uaptc.edu webpage and you will click on your campus portal. I'm sure most of you being in Comp 2 know how to do this step. You will then log in. And from there, you'll go to Blackboard, which is where all of the magic will happen. Okay. The next thing you'll want to do is then find your course. Now, I teach 3 Comp 2s this semester. So I have the 22A, I have the 63, and the 64. So you will find your course, and they're all the exact same as far as for me. So I'm going to click on just one of them. And the first thing you'll notice is that it appears in the announcements page. I like for the course to open up to announcements because I give you a new one every Monday. And I hope that that prompts you to read it when you log into my course. So this morning you should have received an email that had this video link and that had all this information about me, including important information about my announcements, weekly videos, course content due dates, course expectations, and what to do first, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just tell you, but you also have it written here. So if I talk fast, because I kind of do sometimes, you do have it to review in your announcement. So there's 2 very important areas. One is Start Here, and the other is course content. Let's click on Start Here first, okay? Start Here is where you're going to find a Blackboard navigation video not made by me, so you're welcome to review that. And then we've got the syllabus and the course schedule. Now the syllabus is really important. You're going to find all of those good things you need to find in a course syllabus. And then the course schedule is going to probably be even maybe more important because it's going to show you our major assignment due dates. So you can look at that. And it's even going to explain all the assignments. So if you're like curious, what are we going to be doing? You'll find that information there. There's also a note at the top that says all discussion postings in each unit are due by Thursday at midnight, while peer responses are due by Sunday at midnight for each unit week. And we'll jump into the course content in a minute and I'll show you this. But all initial discussion postings are due by Thursday at midnight. And then I give you till Sunday at midnight in order to respond to 2 peers. Okay, so we're going to talk more about that in just a minute though. But that's a fun document that you may want to review. The other thing under Start Here that's definitely something you're going to want to do is complete the course agreement form. And the course agreement form is right under your required materials. This is simply going to provide me with record that you read the syllabus and you've agreed to the policies. The required materials, I don't really, if you have a flash drive, that'd be great. That'd be good for you. You don't have to have it, but if you have one, that's always helpful. You do have to have the course textbook. So the book looks like this. Can you see it? UAPTC Composition Mix. You can get it if you go to the Pulaski Tech bookstore online and put in your student ID. It'll show you all the books you need, and this one will come up. We do use this book, so definitely get it. It's not one of those things where I'm going to make you buy it and then never sign work from it. Okay, we will use it. Okay, so that's an important area for like the first week or so when you're getting acclimated to the class. You may want to download a copy of the syllabus and course schedule to your computer or print it. Or if you don't have access to either of those things, hey, I do this all the time. I'll use my phone and I'll take pictures, and that way I have the course schedule like in my photos so I can kind of keep up with it that way. The second most important area is going to be course content, okay? So I'm going to click on course content. Now you have 2 yellow folders. Now they're different than my blue folders. And I'm going to switch this to student view so that I'm seeing how you see it. Okay, so the 2 yellow folders are going to always remain up top. One of them has important resources available all semester, and the other is information from our librarian. So I'm going to click on this one, and you'll notice a weekly Q&A with Ms. Wise. If throughout a week, Monday through Sunday, you think of a question that you want me to cover in my weekly Monday video, shoot it in the assignment area, just type it in the comment, and I'll cover it in my video. If it's a question that you need answered quickly, promptly, and it's more personal to you, shoot me an email at jwise@uaptc.edu and I'll respond to that. But if you want it in my video, like maybe we're talking about symbolism and you're like, I would really like to know what you thought the symbolism was in the assigned story. Boom, I can answer that in my weekly video with more explanation for you. Also in this yellow folder is information for student tools for successful semester. So you can click here and find the information. And then I just have the library page, which is in the library folder too. Okay, so I'm going to go back to course content. So really week 1 is the one that says week 1. This is the first week, so that starts today, August 24th. We're going to click on it. I always have an objective so that you know kind of what you're getting into. Get to know your instructor, understand course syllabus, get to know classmates, kind of do a refresher on MLA, submit your first journal, and You can see all those there. I won't read through all of them. You have lecture notes that have more information about everything that kind of was in the announcement and a course norms document. And then your introduction post. Now, I don't know if a lot of you have done introductions or not, so I want to kind of walk through how to do items on the discussion board. You simply hit the click to launch, you guys, and then you click on my post. And then I don't want you to start a new thread. Just hit reply to me and type your post in there. Okay, so these posts, that's what I call the initial discussion posts of each unit week, are due by Thursday at midnight. And then you have until Sunday at midnight to respond to 2 classmates. So the same way you just hit reply to me is the same way that you will hit reply to one of your classmates. Okay, let me move the screen out of view so I can cancel either. So you would just hit reply to 2 classmates. Some people find it fun to reply to more. I really like the discussions because it helps create that classroom feel. You're interacting with your peers, and it really becomes a really good resource, especially as we get into the thick of it in the semester. Okay, I'm going to go back into week 1. So you have introduction discussion posts, and then you'll have your exploring career options. But before you do that, I want you to read this. So kind of follow this order that I put things in, because it's like that order to help you guys stay on track. So you have 2 discussion posts this week and 1 little short half-page journal that's not due till Sunday. So the 2 discussions are due Thursday at midnight. The journal is not due until Sunday at midnight. When you click on the journal, the due date appears real big too, and it explains everything you need to do, okay? Okay, my grades, once you start having grades, the grade at work will appear here, and your weighted course total will give you a running grade percentage for the semester. Other important information for you guys is under support. You have student resources, library resources, general Blackboard help, the COVID information, tutoring online. That may become very helpful, tutoring online, and things like that. So that's about it for the course tour, guys. I'm really looking forward to a good semester. I think it's going to be a good one. I don't know. There we go. Now you can see me bigger. So I think it's going to be a great semester, guys. If you ever get struggled or feel lost or need to reach out for extra help, I'm here. Just shoot me an email and I will help you. Okay? So look for a weekly video every week, and look for other opportunities where I post videos within the module as well. All right. Bye.